So what going on, guys? Welcome back to the fantastic new video. In the previous video I've shown you how to use modules to import functions. Now I'm going to tell you how to use modules to import functions and using them. So sorry, not functions, it's classes. Sorry for that. So what a classes is, actually I have shown you the videos of classes, so you know about the classes. So I have written a class number in which we are going to check whether the number is prime or not and even or not. And I am going to import this from the number file. So let's just import it. Import number. So n1 equals to number dot number, and I'm going to pass a number 7, which is a prime number, and just n1 dot prime and print is underscore even or not. Yeah, and right, and so let's just check whether it's a prime or, yeah, it's prime but not even. So I just write here little the number is even and just str. Yeah, so that's it. You have seen this, how to import classes. But if for example here we are have only one function, but what if we have more than one function or classes, functions, anything else, then what we'll do? For example, if I copy this function and paste, so we have one class, one function, but we only want to use this class only. Then how we will use? So for this type of condition, there is another facility which is provided by Python, which is number import or number. So in this condition, this has only imported the class number, not the function fixed. If you want to, I just show you how this is going to work. For example, print okay number dot fixed 9. So we have not imported fixed. I'm just going to show you, and we don't need to initialize which, in this case, which you can say that from which file it belongs, because we have passes from number. So ultimately it's just using from number only. Okay, sorry for that, is I'm not. So you can see that error, that fixed is not imported, or there is no attribute no object num, or we can just I just rename it so you don't get confused what I'm doing. I forgot to save it. So you can see that number is not defined. Actually what we have done is just we have imported this class only, not the function. In some cases where you need only some particular code or particular amount of data, then this from type of importing is useful for you. So this is done, but what if the file, or we can say that yeah, module is not saved in the same file. It is saved in some other folder. For example, here the main is saved over here. So then what? I just close it, and here we can see that the main is, yeah, now the main is here, but number is not here. So what if I run it? It's giving me an error, no module. So for this condition, we will start. Also, I just wait for a second. I just, yeah, I have fixed the issue. If actually I want to show you that what is the condition if the number is stored in the some other folder and the main file is stored over in desktop, then what is the issue? So what we will do that, then we will write the name of a folder, just for example we have, I have write the file, stored the file in the folder YouTube, and import the name of that file. Then it will import that file functions and gives the answer. So that's it for this video. I will show you some other stuffs or voice model stuffs in next video.